आप देख रहे हैं केएम न्यूज डिजिटल। यहाँ मिलती है आपको सही खबर सही वक्त पर और तेजी, जिम्मेदारी और पूरी सच्चाई के साथ।
बेंगलुरु कर्नाटका से एक बड़ी खबर। पुलिस कमिश्नर सीमंत कुमार सिंह ने कहा है कि शहर में पूरी तरह से सिक्योरिटी के इंतजामात किए गए हैं। तकरीबन 20,000 पुलिस जवान तैनात किए गए हैं, जिनमें एंटी टेरर यूनिट्स, ट्रैफिक पुलिस, सिविल पुलिस, होम गार्ड्स और सिविल डिफेंस शामिल हैं। खासकर खवातीन की हिफाजत पर खास तवज्जो दी जा रही है। केएसआरपी की सिर्फ खवातीन पर मुश्तमिल प्लेटून्स को सीबीडी एरिया में तैनात किया गया है। भीड़ पर सख्त नजर रखी जाएगी और क्राउड कंट्रोल के कवानीन पर सख्ती से अमल होगा। एआई से चलने वाले कैमराज जमा होने वाली जगहों पर निगरानी रखेंगे। ज्यादा भीड़ से बचने के लिए एंट्री को महदूद किया जाएगा और जरूरत पड़ने पर होल्डिंग एरियाज भी बनाए गए हैं। मैं हूं रहमान, केएम न्यूज डिजिटल के साथ।
Since last 4 weeks, approximately four weeks, these Bengaluru City Police, the law and order, the traffic, the crime wing, all are doing their best efforts to see that the 31st December celebrations pass off peacefully. More than peacefully, we want it in a very grand manner, so that that is why we released this hashtag of celebrate responsibly. We have been following it since then, and today in this press meet I wanted to inform that all the proper bandobast are in place. Approximate 20,000 forces are being deployed of all types. This includes anti-terror cells also, traffic also, civil police also, home guards and civil defense. And we are emphasizing more on women staff also. This time we are putting KSRP platoons, which will be exclusively women. Some extra platoons of women platoons in the CBD area. We are not going to allow beyond a reasonable number of people to crowd in one place. Through AI operated cameras, we will get the feedback and we will take a call accordingly. We will restrict entry and keep people in holding areas. This time we have introduced a new thing based on past experiences. We are pressing into service BMTC and some tempo travel private buses at fixed points. Those points have been given in the press note, where public after the celebration can immediately go, because in previous years we have found that there was shortage of cabs and auto rickshaws. We have warned the establishments that anything going wrong inside the establishment should be immediately reported to us. It should not become a problem for a law and order problem, and we will verify all their capacity. Beyond capacity, if they are taking, then cases have to be booked, and we have asked the concerned departments also to keep a check on that. Main emphasis on women safety and crowd control. Many areas have been designated which are having women help desk, umbrella, police umbrella.